Imagine yourself in this 2010 Holden Captiva.
Experience the comfort of driving this well-presented vehicle.
Run all over town without worrying about filling up.
Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, stability control, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, power windows, a CD stacker, ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags.
Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. The anti-lock braking system will help to keep you safe on the road. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing these top safety components are included.
If you're looking for a first-rate vehicle, this one could be yours today.